A number of folks have asked, what is a rack and pinion? So I'd like to give you kind of an idea of what that is today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. So the rack and pinion is the steering part of your car. So imagine this is my steering wheels right here. I would turn a shaft when I turn my steering wheel. And at the end of that shaft would be a gear. That's called the pinion gear. Now the pinion gear would be vertical like this, and then the rack is like this, and imagine the rack has teeth on top of it. So when I turn that pinion gear, I move this shaft back and forth, the rack. Okay, so rack and pinion. Then the rack would be attached to the wheels. And so as I move that rack, I would move the wheels back and forth to steer the car. It has hydraulic components to it, hoses and things like that help give you power assist, because if you had to manually turn it, my grandfather always referred to manual steering as Jack Armstrong steering. But you have hydraulics to it, so sometimes they can leak and cause you problems. Sometimes the joints attached to them can wear out. But hopefully that helps you understand what a rack and pinion is. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.